Yeah. Do you love your horse? Let me put some paints on you. What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at? Whoa! You want to get out of there? You want to get out of there? Well, I'm going to have to help you. You ready? Come here. All right. You say hey to, whoa. You say hey to everyone? Whoa. Someone says hi. Yeah? Is that your friend? Yeah? What do you think, Jack?
Hug me.
Hug me. Yeah? Whoa. Oh, got kind of blurry. What you doing, Rocky dog? There's your Rocky. There's your Rocky dog. There's your Rocky dog. Hi. Hi, Rock. What are you sniffing for? Hey, stop crawling all over me. You gotta look in the camera. Where are you going? What? Here. Okay. There we go. Okay, say hey to everyone. Say hey. You coming after me? What are you doing? What are you doing? Give me that. Say hey. Hey! Oh, all right. Well, if you're just going to wallow, then say bye. Say bye! Say bye. Wow! Wow! What happened? What happened? Did you fall? Huh? Where are you going to go? Jack, where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Yeah? Where are you going to go? You going to go weigh yourself? See how much you weigh? Huh? Jack. Jack. You going to take a bath? Hey. What are you going to do? Jack Bear. What are you doing? We're going to close the toilet. What are you doing? Huh? Okay. This is rather dangerous, so we're gonna stop. Say bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye? Jack. 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 Can you wave? Oh, the toilet. Okay, bye-bye.